Hi everybody, it's KJ from Metro Hobbies, Toys and Games, and here we have the Treehouse. And this time, we're looking at the light set. Light My Bricks, as you know, is an Australian-based company who design light sets specifically for different sets, as well as having some DIY components so you can change it up yourself. Today I'm going to be having a look at the set that they have created for the Treehouse. This is a fantastic set on its own anyway, but it's pretty spectacular, even more so and more charming when you add lights. So I'm just going to show you. Okay, so now we've got a couple of lights lit up, but now in this set on its own, it has an RGB remote. Now that means I've just lit up the canopy. Now what's special about this remote, other than compared to the other remotes that they have with the sound, is that you can actually change the color. So now I've got a blue feel to the look. Maybe I want it to go a little bit more greener, so I can change it to green and have some really green leaves. This really pops in the dark, obviously. It's a bit of a challenge to change the tree leaves out once you've installed the lighting set, so I would say you should choose which version you want. Do you want autumn? Do you want spring? But if you did choose autumn, there's red, there's yellow, there's a light green, there's orange. You can go through the whole little spectrum with this thing, and I think that's lovely because you can obviously choose the time of day as well. So maybe you have some dusk lighting, maybe you want a little bit of pink to make it look like it's sunset. The other sort of details that they've actually included is that you have a little flickering of a candle. To do that, they've used a little micro light. You've also got the fire flickering as well to make it look like it's alive. I really like how they've lit up the river, because it sort of gives it a little bit more life. There's something a little bit more living about light than there is about a static brick. So I really like that. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, where are all the wires? Because this is a very, very open set, and that makes it very, very challenging to hide the wires. So this is a little bit of a pro tip. They give you some instructions to hide them. But what I've done is I've actually taken off the little side pieces here. So you can actually just take them off. And I've hidden the wires. You can see like maybe a trail of wire that runs in, and then I've threaded it up through the trunk. And this has allowed me to not only thread the wire up to the top so I can light up all these lovely little components up the top, it's allowed me to keep my set from being marred by a wire that's visible. And I can understand how that might be important to you. I've also hid the little expansion board there under the stairs, which that part is in the instructions. Now, almost everything you see here is going to come in this set. The RGB is going to come in this set. All the lights that are in here are going to come in this set. The only thing that wouldn't would be the Light My Bricks power bank. So you have the USB control that comes with it. The Light My Bricks power bank has a consistent current, so it's a good choice. You can obviously also charge it. You could, if you wanted to, use your phone charger and just plug it into the wall. Now that's great. Just make sure that it has a consistent current, because over time, if you have something that's maybe a little bit cheaper, then the dim lights will dim and you won't get the best out of your set. So something like an iPhone has a consistent current, or choose the Light My Bricks universal adapter wall charger. They've got one of those, a 5 volt. We'll put all the links in the description below, obviously, so you can have a look at those products. And I do highly recommend them. That's what I use for mine. And let's see. Look, honestly, I think it speaks for itself. It really is just makes the whole thing just come to life. And you could just sit here and just watch. I think I'd watch it for hours, possibly. Depends what you have to do. While you read a book, under the tree, by the stream, while the fire flickers. And that's everything I've got for you today. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, clearly you need to. And as always, links are in the descriptions below. And until next time, enjoy the trees.